What's going on? I'm here with another video. It's been a while since I put one up. I really haven't done much to the vehicles, but today I have something that I've seen on YouTube a lot, and these are the fog lights. I do plan to change them out. This one's all right, but this one's looking kind of hazy, and I'm not really getting light out of this as much as I wanted to, but I've seen a lot of people at Amazon bought these here, and I'm gonna try them out. I hear good reviews on them also on Amazon, and I'm gonna switch them out. The one thing that I did do was put the clips on this already. I don't know if I put them right or not, but hopefully I put them right. So one of the things I saw back here is it says right hand and left hand, or I might be saying it wrong, but I know this screw up here goes on the top like this one. So this light goes there. So we're gonna go ahead and try and put this one on and see how it goes. All right, so if you see there's two bolts here. There's another bolt over here that I'm gonna take off. And this is already running LEDs. The thing is, the fans are starting to make so much noise right now. All right, so now that I got the bolts out, what I'm gonna do is I disconnected the harness, take this out, and we're gonna put the new one on. Now that I got the bolts in and everything, now I can take this plastic off. I just didn't want to get scratched while I installed it, but it looks good right now. We'll see, the real test will be at night. But here's the other one. I don't know if you can hear that. That's the whole reason I'm changing them out, because I think the fans are going bad. But that's the old one. That's the new one. What I'm using is a 10mm. I already got the bolts on this side. I got one more on that side. Then I disconnect the harness from the LED, take that whole housing out, put the new one in. One thing I forgot last night is to make a video of how it looks like with these fog lights compared to the new ones. But trust me, when I'll give you the review, I'll see the big difference on it. But right now they're looking good. Hopefully it looks better at night, because these here really didn't shine as much anymore, even though it's got an LED. And like you heard, that LED fan is making a lot of noise. So I think it's about to go bad. Both of them actually did the same thing. I've had these for maybe 6 years. They're from Oxbeam, but I mean, they were good until they're not as bright anymore as they were before. So let's go ahead and get these out of here. So I got the fog light removed. So now it's time to put the new one in. But I got to put the screws on first. So let me go ahead and do that before removing that clear cover out. I'll make sure it's put on right. So let's do that first. The one thing I did was slide in this part here first, then here, because once you put in this side first, you can't put that side in here because it's longer. So this one goes in first, then this one. Then I lined the bolts up where the other ones were, where the other marks are, just to have them in the same spot. I don't know if it makes a difference or not, but I did it that way. I connected the harness. Now let's check it out and see if that one turns on. The one thing I did notice, the screw is all the way up there. So I might have to unscrew the bolts again, lay it down a little bit, and screw it back in, because I'm not going to be able to adjust if the screw's way up there. And plus there's a big gap on the bottom. So let's see if we can fix that. All right, so I did come down a little bit. I mean, you can still push the plastic up to get to that screw. I'm gonna see if I can lower it down just a little bit more. All right, so I went down a little bit more on this side, and I got it even like I wanted it. So we'll see how it does at night. My concern would be how it's gonna shine out on the road. That's my big concern. Hopefully it's all right. All right, so I got the light fixed. I got it to where I can get to the screw. But I don't like how it's bottoming out, so hopefully it doesn't affect the light output, but I really don't like how that looks. If I need to, I'll go back up, because I really don't need that screw if I already adjusted it. So I can push it back up. For right now, I'm gonna leave it like that. But let's see if both of them turn on now. All right, so both of them are turning on. But like I said, I'll get a video tonight. Hopefully it's not raining, and we'll see how it really looks out there. But I couldn't do it. So I just ended up putting it like that, center it out. I'm Mr. Perfect, so I want my light to be exactly as center as possible. So I ended up doing it anyway, putting it where it needs to be, where I think it might shine. Hopefully it works out like that. I know some of y'all might say that's stupid, but honestly, I don't like my lights bottoming out and having a big gap on top. Hopefully it shines better that way. Like I said, we'll see tonight, and I'll let you see how it looks like. So there they are, all together. We'll see how they do tonight. If they don't shine as good as I wanted them to, I will adjust them. But for right now, they're gonna stay like that. I'm hoping I don't have to adjust anything. But, oh yeah. LED headlights, LED turn signals, LED fog lights. I am gonna keep those just in case it's back up. If something happened to these, I can put those back. I'm not gonna throw them away. I like to keep my parts if they're still good. Just change the LEDs and I'm good. I do have off-road lights in there on both sides. These are just my whites and ambers because I do haul cars to mechanics, so I do need those flashers just in case. But I'm going to change them out for better ones. But for right now, the only thing I'm changing is the fog lights. this is how it looks like. It's not fully dark outside, but it's good. I actually got it leveled right where it needs to be. So it's not bad. I like it. This is just the fog lights. This is with the headlights. So it's not bad. I like how it turned out. Oh yeah. And I have lights under the hood. They're switchbacks. And then this side turns on with this left turn signal, and this one turns on with the right turn signal, so they're separate. But yeah, I like how it turned out. Looks pretty good. I'm happy with it, and we'll see how it works out in the next couple months, and I'll do an update. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. I hope it helps you decide in these fog lights if you want to put it on your own Ram or not. I'm out. Come on, boy.